that back knee, Lynn. Easy. Nice bunt, B. Let's go, Summer. How are they doing?
I'll show you who's on first. Let's see. She's on first base. Yeah. You want to stand right here?
No, he was at Nathan's recital.
Oh.
Piano recital.
Oh.
Yeah. They're at a piano recital because Nathan has a piano recital. You see right there, the girl with the mask on first base right here?
It'll be your pitch, Em. Coming to you.
play chain last night?
Yeah.
How fun! Does that make more sense?
Yeah, I mean, it kind of made sense for them to drive all the way down there to pick me up, and I could have got a rental car, but it was like just ending up to be a hassle, and I was like, yeah. So it just, they had one at 4:30, and it got into Rio at 8:30 or 8:40 or something, and I'm like, that's fine. It'll take a while, but more work. Well, it was good, you know, because I'm going to be out all day tomorrow and stuff, and so I felt like I'm not like leaving extra stuff behind, you know. She's like, I know.
Oh yeah, I tried it.
Wait till after she's got to concentrate right now.
Yes! Wait! That's okay. 1, 2, 3.
She's like,
So you went to church and then you came back and then
yeah.
you went to
We finally made over to Amber's at like 2 to hang out for a few hours. I think they went over one night on Friday night and saw them for a little bit. So, anyways, yeah, we hung out there for a few hours. And so come try and ditch the last little bit of this, and then I was like, let's just get something quick for dinner so that we can get them to bed. I just was like, because we're going to try and go early so that we get there when they open. Not miss the day, no. And I'm not sure if I want to tell them before bed or just wake them up and tell them in the morning. I don't know. Yeah, right. No, and they actually just went, I guess, like a few weeks ago, so it's fine. I was like, it's kind of good, just the 4 of us. Like, we'll be able to just, you know, Amber's going to take care of it. Yeah, so I'll just, Ryan, Russell's the last name is, yeah. Eric goes there too. I remember, he might now. He probably does this year, actually. Yeah, I probably could take one of them or something, you know, with me. But they have their neighbor across the street, their son that's Garrett's age is spending the night tonight, tomorrow night. His parents have to go to town for a funeral. And so she's like, I can't. But Chris is home tomorrow, I guess, right now. So, she's like, oh, we could maybe, but. Right.
I think she's actually
Maybe she's sitting out this they can only play 9 players on
You play music? You play music? Where is it?
The other legs, there's 2 legs.
That's why it's like.
They have like, yeah, like 3 different cities.
Oh yeah, they
But if you want to go,
They got a lot of players, so they have 2 teams. 2 for 2 hitting and RBI. It's the whole game.
I can't remember. Did she have a triple last night or did she? Okay, that was one.
how was your event?
I would have worn a sweatshirt.
I don't know
We weren't planning on coming.
Last year we had like, gosh, people that no-showed, and this year we have 2.
Piece of animal.
Hey,
Was
just
the weather nice or was
make sure you don't put
like
that
this?
stick
Yeah, it
through
was,
the.
yeah, but they were inside meetings.
Because that's not allowed in the game. You'll get in trouble. You can't interfere with the game.
And people came out. I have a bowl of water in my car, but it's
Wherever we go, I just would like to have this. Bees, get ready.
go get it from my car. Take 2. Yeah, close.
Shoot, recognize you.
He did or he didn't? He did?
Bees, get low and ready.
Get your finger out. That's okay, Maddie. Good swing. Hey, Christy, did you do rockets yesterday?
Well, I need a cup.
You like them?
I need a cup.
You and Christian went? Did your dad go too?
Run, 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 run! Shots on her! You two, you out of here? No, we're going home Tuesday night. Usually we're here for a few weeks, but
During the summer?
this year not so much.
Okay.
Yeah, usually I take like all my vacation and we come for like 30 days. She was working in San Diego for the past 4 days, and I had the time off to watch the kids. I was like, I'm just gonna follow you out there and have my mom help watch them.
Yeah.
So yeah, I probably.
JR.
Yeah, hi.
I don't know if you ever met him in high school or
I recognize
anything.
the face. I'm like, I don't know. Sorry.
He's married to Melissa Linne.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
That's my dad.
That's how we know.
That's how we know her, yeah.
I don't really
You
know
went to
anybody
camp
say
too?
that.
Yeah, my dad, yeah.
What's your last name?
My name was Gibbs. Yeah.
Did you graduate in 99 or 98?
98.
So Julia, my sister Julia would have been your age.
Okay. I think I know that name too.
Yeah.
actually.
Julia Gibbs, yeah.
All right, well, see you
Yeah, you too, man.
Take
See ya.
care. She's in the middle of the two in the chairs on Nathan has a piano
His big old teeth. Is he always gonna have huge